Hi guys, welcome back to another video here at Let's Talk Tech. Today we are unboxing another AfBEST product. Now these are the AfBEST pet grooming clippers. Now for the purpose of this video, I've got to say from the outset I do not have a pet to actually use these on. However, I've got to say the one thing I loved about these particular clippers from the outset was you can use them on humans as well. I shaved my own head with these, and I will give my opinions based on my own personal usage. So as you can see, first of all you get the instruction manual. You'll not really need this, it's really straightforward to use. The scissors that come with it are of an incredibly high quality. They have a bit of weight and do not feel cheap whatsoever. The same goes with the comb, which is also metal. You get your power adapter, your clipper cleaners, your charging dock, your blade adapters. You get 4 different sizes here. And finally your clippers. Now, based on the price point, I was really surprised at how good these felt. They're heavy and they just actually feel like a really premium product. Now you'll see there is a picture of a dog. Now what I would say is, although these are dog clippers, they would suit anybody who is just looking for a set of clippers to shave their own head with. They are absolutely fantastic. I have been using some Wahl clippers myself prior to this, and these will absolutely become my new clippers moving forward. Now for me, the unique selling point of these clippers is how quiet they are. It's absolutely amazing how quiet these are. There's 3 different settings, but on each of the 3 settings they are extremely quiet. If you were using these on an animal, they would not in any way be put off by the noise, because like I said, they are barely audible, which is fantastic. Another great thing about these clippers is the battery life. Now, like I said, I've been using these clippers now for probably about 2 weeks. Now, I use them to shave my head and I use them to shave my beard. So they get used every couple of days. And from a 100% charge, I'm still on about 70% 2 weeks later. So the battery life is amazing. Another thing you get with this, so you get, like I said, quiet clippers, great quality cut. And the products themselves are fantastically well built, especially for the price point. These clippers can currently be bought on Amazon for as little as £19.99. Now when you compare that to some of the other clippers currently on Amazon, this is an absolute bargain. So you're getting quality at a really, really good price. Now if you've watched any of my other videos, the one thing that you'll know I really like is finding a product which is low cost but high quality. And like with all the other AfBEST products I've tried over the past few weeks, this is no different. For more information on how to buy these clippers, please check out the description below. Also, you'll find a discount code from the guys at AfBEST as well. And as always, I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch my videos and supporting the channel. If you don't already subscribe, please do feel free to hit that subscribe button and the like button. And as always, I hope to see you guys again soon. This has been Scott at Let's Talk Tech.